What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So today's going to be another Amazon video. You guys absolutely loved my first Amazon video. Thank you so much for all the love that you were giving me and all the DMs and comments that you guys were sending me, talking about how you can't wait to try some of the products that I talked about and you never saw those before, and it was so helpful. So thank you, thank you. If you have not seen that video, I will link it for you guys above. It was geared more towards just like beauty related products. But this video is more geared towards products that I was like, you know what, I need that. Let me try that. And as soon as I got it and I tried it, I fell in love with it. I don't know how it is for you guys shopping. I don't really fall in love with a lot of things. I buy a lot of things and I'm like, oh yeah, this is really good. But it takes a lot for me to be like, oh my God, this is amazing. But that's what this video is gonna be for me. It's about products and items that I bought off of Amazon, knowing I would like them, but not knowing I was going to fall in love with them. So I have to share them with you guys. Again, if you like videos like these, make sure to give them a big thumbs up. Lets me know to create more content like this. And let's just get into it. So the first item I'm gonna talk about, well, the first three, I'm grouping them together. I just bought last week during one of my meltdowns. I don't know how you guys are doing at home and holding up, things like that, but I let my emotions get the best of me and I just kind of had a breakdown and a meltdown and cried all day and then decided to just buy some stuff on Amazon. But this purchase to me was very purposeful. It wasn't something that I was like, I'm sad, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of stuff. No, like I really wanted to kind of tap back into this realm of my life and start doing this again. Growing up, I was heavily into art. I used to paint, draw, color, do all of that stuff. And over the last 9-10 years, I've really just kind of consumed my life within the beauty industry and kind of strayed away from my artistic side. And I was like, you know what? I need something else to keep my mind busy and just to make me feel passionate again. So I came across this guy. Again, I'm going to be reading all the products off of here for you guys as well as putting them on the screen for you. But this is the Color 120 colored pencils. It's in a metal box. It was for $44.99. Got it off of Prime as well, which is really nice. Now you might think, who the hell needs 120 colored pencils? I do. I love to draw. I love art. I love the way it looks. I love the way it makes me feel. So 120 wasn't enough for me. And when I tell you how beautiful this is, I can't even describe it. So this is the tin that it comes in. It's a really nice, sturdy metal tin, which I'm a sucker for packaging. I'm glad all of them are locked away in here, which is nice. Then when you open it up, I'm gonna try really hard to show you without spilling all of them. There's 3 different types of trays in here. So this is the first tray, this is the second, and this is the third. So you can see a very nice range of all different colors that you can even think of. Which now brings me to the other 2 products that I paired with this. So the first one is, it's called, it's an adult book, all right? It's called Fuck This Shit Swear Word Coloring Book, and I got this for $5.99. Look how cute this is. I was in a mood, okay? I was emotional. I needed some things that were just gonna make me laugh, and this book will definitely do it for you. I love how all of the drawings in here are very, very tedious, so it really keeps your mind busy during all this time, and it gives, you know, really nice motivational quotes. Like this one, it says, go eat a bag of fucking dicks, and I mean, do what it says. My favorite one out of this book though says, what a fucking shit show, and you know, that's kind of how I was feeling at the time. And I was like, this is what I need in my life. So super cute, it'll make you laugh while coloring, I liked it. But the artistic side in me needed something a little bit more pretty and aesthetic and something that I can really put my creative abilities to and just get lost in. So this is where this next book comes in. This is also an adult coloring book. It just says flower coloring book, and this was for $6.99. When I tell you this is one of the prettiest coloring books I've ever seen, I'm not lying. This is just stunning, just beautiful, gorgeous flowers that can be just so simplistic, and you can create whatever that you want with this, which I have started to color. I want to show you guys one of my drawings so far. I will say this though, if you're going to get coloring pencils, make sure to get a sharpener. I, like a dumbass, forgot about that, and I'm waiting for a sharpener, so I haven't been able to finish my drawing yet. So it's still being, you know, it's still in the process, but so far this is what it looks like. Oh, it makes me so happy. So this is really doing what I need it for me to do. Just give me another outlet to, you know, explore my creative side again and keep my mind busy and positive during the times that we're in right now. So the next item we're going to talk about is a pair of shoes. So this is from Dream Paris. It's the women's high heel stilettos. Now I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. I wear a size 11, and for those of you who don't wear a size 11, you have no idea how hard it is to find cute heels. And especially with the feet that I have, they're very skinny, they're very narrow, so they don't even look that big. But when I do purchase shoes of my size, they think that I have like the biggest, widest man foot of all time, and shoes never fit me. So I was like, you know what? I'm over it. I'm gonna go to Amazon, see if there's any heels for me. And it was kind of a stretch because I'm super picky, but oh my. So this is actually the first color that I bought, and I bought a few at a time just to see which ones I liked more, which fit me better, especially since you're shopping online and you don't know what's gonna fit you. I just bought a few at a time, and this one I fell in love with. Right away we went on vacation. I put these in my suitcase and we were in Vegas, out all night. These lasted so amazing. My feet felt so good. They're so stylish too. I love the color on them. I love the finish on them. And it might be hard to tell what heel inch they are, but I think they're just a little over 4 inches. So I personally like heels 4 inches and higher. But I got so many compliments on these that I had to buy another pair, and that's where these came in. So this one, again, it's the same style, just different material. I can't rave about these enough. Whatever size shoe that you have, if you guys are looking for cute heels, you need this shoe in your collection. Like I said, every time I wear them, I get so many compliments, and they're so incredibly comfortable. Now that I bought these two from this brand, I really want to see what else they have to offer for shoes, because like I'm saying, it's so hard for me to find heels and shoes in general, but especially heels that fit me and that are comfortable and that wear and last the way you need them to. And I've had these for a few months, and not even a scratch, nothing, not even a lift of a thread. So yeah, definitely a must. So the next items we're going to talk about is the Women Sexy See-Through Maxi Swimsuit Skirt Cover-Up. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Hot Miami Styles, but a year or two ago, I was on their website because their swimsuit cover-ups were all over Instagram, and I was like, okay, I need one of those. So I was on their site, and I came across this see-through mesh skirt, and I don't know at the time if they just had black or just had white, but either way, it was $50. So it got me thinking. I was like, you know what? Let me see if this is on Amazon. And it was. And guess how much? Under $10. I was like, of course I'm gonna buy these. And I bought both of them. So I can't remember which one I bought first. I think I bought the white one. I will put some pictures here to show you guys reference what they look like. Again, see-through, plain colors. They go with so many outfits. And it does give a somewhat of a smoothing look to it. But again, this is perfect for if you're at the beach or on vacation and you just, maybe you're feeling self-conscious about the bum, but you still want to feel sexy. These are your items. I've worn them everywhere. I've always gotten compliments on them. And for them to be under $10, just the best. Moving on to the next item, we have a women leather belt, waist skinny dress belts, and they come in a pack of 2, and you get a black and you get this really nice tan, whatever color you want to call it. Now, I don't know if you guys recall the skinny Gucci belts that were all over Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, basically all over social media, and everybody had them. I thought they were so cute, so stylish, really just amped up your outfit. But I wasn't about to spend $350 on a belt that I'll wear sometimes. I'm one of those people, I don't mean to be one of those people, but when I see so many people doing and wearing the same thing, I don't want it, but I loved the idea of it. So I was like, okay, well, how about I just buy it without the Gucci label? And I'm so glad I did. I've worn these countless times with so many outfits. I don't really need belts to hold up my jeans. They fit me pretty well. But these just really add that extra element of style. And like I said, with these two colors, they'll basically go with just anything. I feel like it really does amp up the outfit, and you can go from looking, you know, somewhat plain to a little bit more classy. I don't know, I'm not like a fashion person, so I don't even know the terms to use, but I really do like the way these look. And I just think that they're such a great buy for 2 for under $20. And the material on these is really, really good. Like, this does not feel cheap at all. So I feel like this will last you quite a long time. Moving on. So the next one we're going to talk about is a baseball cap. So it's for men and women, but it is a cotton hat. Let me tell you this. I don't like hats. Never liked hats. They're just not my thing. And it's because anytime I've ever worn something on my head, it gives me a headache. I love the way they look. I think girls are so cute when they wear them. I love the way that you can just pair them and make them look a little bit more sporty. Or depending on what kind of hat that you get, you can really just elevate it with the style that you're wearing. But last summer, I was outdoors all the time and I really needed something to protect me from the sun. And I don't wear sunglasses. You guys are probably like, what is wrong with you, girl? You don't like anything. But sunglasses actually hurt my eyes. And I'm not saying like prescription ones, just like regular sunglasses. They hurt my eyes for whatever reason. Anytime I have them over my eyes feel strained, and then that also causes me a headache. So anything that sits on my face, anything that sits on my head, my body's just like, can you stop, please? Although I will say, one time at Nordstrom, I went through the sunglass section and I picked up a pair of Tom Fords, and they never felt better. Like, my eyes didn't feel strained. They felt so amazing on my face, and they were like $500. So didn't get those. I found this hat on Amazon and I was like, you know what? Let me just give them one more try. A cotton one shouldn't be bad, and it'll do what I need it to do, which is just kind of protect my head from the sun, but also my face and my eyes just being outdoors, especially when it's sunny. Ugh! This is like the best $8 I've ever spent. This is the most comfortable hat I've ever worn. Now when I wear it, I like to wear it with a pony. I just kind of stick it through there and I look, you know, super sporty. But what I love about this is it's so lightweight, it's so soft, it's so airy, so it doesn't trap any of the heat onto your head. It's adjustable, and they have so many colors of this. So I picked this one, light colors, being in the sun, not hot. So that's nice. Another really cool thing that I like about this hat, and I'm about to give you guys ideas at home, get into your artistic side. This is 100% cotton. Draw on it, color, make some designs, put some stickers on it, put your little, what do you guys do? Pins. That's the word I was looking for. Put your pins on it. If you guys have kids at home, make this a fun activity. Give them some markers, have them have fun. And then they have something that is great for them to wear during the summer months when they're outside playing with all their friends, and you know, then they just had something fun to do with you. But yeah, again, really, really big fan. Take a look at these. They have amazing colors. Now, speaking of covering your eyes, this next item is the Jersey Slumber 100% Silk Sleep Mask. Y'all are gonna think I'm weird again, but when I sleep, I have to be in complete darkness, complete silence, and I sleep like this. Not all the time. I usually wake up on my stomach, but I really do try to fall asleep like this. But I have to be in just complete abyss. When me and Jake first started dating, he really loved sleeping with the TV on, and I was like, ew, no. I know so many other people who have to sleep with the TV on, like it's a comfort, it's a relaxing thing, it puts them to sleep. No, I need it to be quiet. So there'd be nights where I would be like, okay, go ahead, you can have the TV on, just keep it low. But the light from the TV and just like whatever's going on would just like, I can see it flashing, and I hated it. So that's where this guy came in. Now, I don't like things to cover my face when I'm sleeping, but the fact that this is silk makes it so much better. And this is so light and soft. Like, it is, when you wear this, it doesn't feel like you have anything on. And then you have this really nice adjustable strap, which is great because I feel like a lot of them don't, or at least the ones back in the day never did. And the strap is super comfortable. And it's just so, let's try to put it on. It's just the best. Like, you can fall asleep so easy, and it doesn't feel hot. It feels really nice and cool on the face. And because it's silk, it's not going to give you any wrinkles or smush anything that's going on. Although I will say, if you do have lash extensions, probably won't be the best idea. You're not really supposed to have anything over your eyes when you have lash extensions, but if you don't, this is a great item for you. All right, so we got 2 more items left and then we're done. So the next item, this one is a credit card wallet with zipper. So I have a lot of credit cards. They're mostly for places like Kohl's, your Old Navy. You know, when you were younger and you were just starting to build your credit and you just bought a bunch of credit cards, that's kind of what I have. And then also I have like a bunch of reward cards too, and I keep them all because I still shop at all these places. So I needed something that was going to fit all of them comfortably, but wasn't like a big chunky wallet. And that's where this guy comes in. I love this. I've gotten so many compliments when I've pulled it out at any type of store, cashier, that someone sees me pulling this out. They're like, oh my God, this is actually really neat. I like it. What I like about it is that leather feel. So it's really nice material. You got the zipper, you open it up, and all your little credit cards are in here. Nice little organized spot. I like to be organized, so this is great. And then I just put like little bits of, like I said, like my rewards cards and just random, like my nail appointments. I miss my nail lady so much. And then on this side, which I'm going to cover, you can put your driver's license. And so it just slips out really easy, just like that. I'm like, here you go. There, that, the other. So it's a really, really nice wallet. It's my favorite one that I've ever come across in any store. And I got it on Amazon and it was cheap. And that's what I like. I've had this now for about 2 years. Not even a rip, not even a zip, not even anything. Like everything is still well packed together, which is another reason why I love this so much. I can't believe for under $10 and for 2 years, and I've done this so many times already that like nothing has broken. I got to knock somewhere so I don't jinx myself, but really, really good quality if you're looking for a wallet. Now for the last item, please don't laugh. These are the multi-use refrigerator magnets. Now I realize I'm on the internet right now bragging about some refrigerator magnets, but I'm telling you guys, these are amazing. So me and Jake have been living together for almost 2 years now, and for the longest time we had nothing on our fridge but so many things to put on our fridge. I remember I went to Home Goods one day and bought those, you know, like the clips that just close your chips and then they act also as a magnet. So I bought those thinking that they'd be strong. Like, yeah, put that on the refrigerator. But no, they were the weakest magnets I've ever bought. And for like a year we had them, and me and Jake would complain all the time, like, why do we have these? They don't work. These suck. And I was like, I know, but I can't find magnets anywhere. I don't know where to get them. Like, I want cute ones, but like nothing works, and they suck for the magnet part and blah, blah, blah. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go on Amazon and I'm going to find something. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So I came across these guys. So this is what they look like, and you just kind of detach one. God, these are even hard to hold. Ooh! These things are small, okay? So they're kind of hard right now. I'm like my hands are a little sweaty. But this is what they look like. So I was reading the reviews and everyone was like, dude, get these. They're amazing. They're small, but they pack a punch. And I was like, you know what? That's what I want, because I hate sometimes when some magnets are too big and they just cover what you want to see on the fridge. Like maybe it's an invitation or, you know, pictures of my niece that I have on there. So I bought these and they are so good. They hold so much stuff. One little guy can hold like 7 papers together. Put them all in the middle, pop that guy in the middle, and it holds all of them. It's so insane. And I love how just simplistic it is. So it doesn't really take up a lot of like eyesore on the fridge, that you really allow just everything else to kind of be on its own. Now, if you're somebody who collects magnets, then these probably won't be for you. They're probably too boring. But I'm telling you guys, for anybody who's not really into the magnet look, but needs like reminders, needs things, but something that's actually going to hold and not slide all the way down to the end of the refrigerator every time you open the refrigerator, these are for you. This concludes all of my Amazon purchases that I bought that I didn't expect to fall in love with them the way that I did. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, if you guys like videos like these, just make sure to give them a big thumbs up. Just lets me know to create more for you. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to all my videos if you guys like to see more. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is Amanda Devon there. We're a little bit more chit-chatty. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.